Offers 6 compartments for holding napkins, straws, stirrers, utensils, or condiments. Great for compactly organizing in any home, bar, or restaurant. Made of plastic for lightweight design and easy cleaning. Black color matches any decor. Easily organize all your bar essentials with American Metalcraft's bar organizer. Made of plastic for a clean and lightweight design, this caddy offers 6 compartments for holding napkins, straws, stirrers, utensils, and condiments. A must-have for any bar or restaurant, this caddy's black plastic design will match any decor while offering compact organization. The lightweight design makes cleaning simple and quick. Each order contains one plastic caddy measuring 9.5 L by 5.75 W by 4.125 H. With 70 years of service, American Metalcraft is a leader in the foodservice industry for trend-focused and unique products. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for the outdoor bar. This napkin and straw holder is perfect for the outdoor bar. I have parties once or twice a month and it is very convenient to put all the straws and napkins in one place. Not much else to say about this product as it does what it's supposed to do and the plastic is very sturdy.